We need your birthday blowout.
Ang mama.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Happy birthday to Arjon. Ang wish ko sa imo, kabay pa nga, tagan ka pa sa mayong lawas, kag mayong ubrak. Kagkabay pa nga, madamo pa nga birthday magabot sa imo to. Nang miss ko na kamutanan, kabay pa nga makapuli ka mo sa ini nga tuig, maglulupod naman ta. I miss you Toto, I miss you all of you.
Happy birthday ng Arjon! More birthday to come, and I hope nga makababy ka mo ng Ayasan girl. More birthday to come, Nong. I love you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Nong! I miss you so much. I'm gonna not thank you.
Miss you guys!
I miss you, love you, I love you. I love you sa inyo tanan.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Luwa.
Toto.
Happy birthday, Nong!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to Arjon.
Hi Nong, happy birthday. Wish you all the best, good health, and more birthday to come. I love you, I miss you. Hello Nong, happy birthday. Take care always Nong. Kag more birthday to come. Kag halong lang permi sa work Nong. Kag see you soon.
Hi Nong, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Good health lang for me ka. Take care always ka. Thank you din sa inyo doon na ngayon sa tantanan Nong. Kag halo ka mo kami. We love you. Enjoy your special day Nong. Mwah.
Hi Manong, happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life and good health ng halong lang always. Kag enjoy your special day. Happy birthday Nong. Love you.
Hi Nong, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. More birthdays to come. God bless always and take care lang always Nong. Good luck sa new journey, kag new beginning sa iyong birthday. Halong lang mo always Nong, kag enjoy your special day. Thank you Nong. I love you. Thank you for everything.
Hello to Arjon, happy birthday. Wish ko lang sa imo good health always and happiness always. Nang abay pa hatagan ka pa sang malawig-lawig nga kadulik kag dugang kusog para sa adad lang mga obra kabay pa nga pangalong na kami to take care always we love you and we miss you. Love you guys, thank you so much. Mwah, mwah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to Arjon.
Happy birthday Nong.
Love you guys. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Boss Arjun.
Tol, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in your life. I know someday you and your family will be successful because you and Aya are very diligent and hardworking parents. Once again, wishing you happy and prosperous birthday, more birthday to come, and take care always in your family.
Happy birthday, John. More birthday and more blessings to come. God bless.
Happy birthday Nong. Stay healthy lang permi. Kagwapo, para sa akon. More birthday to come. Halong lang permi. God bless.
Happy birthday to Arjon.
Happy birthday to.
Birthday, God bless. Halong lang muna kami.
Bless. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
permit sa mga obramok. Kag ano, kag stay strong ka mo na nakagawin namin.
Happy birthday, Kuya Arjun. Mag-iingat kayo lagi ng pamilya mo, lalo ka na sa work mo. God bless you soon. Sana matupad lahat ng plano natin na business. Bye-bye, ingat.
Hi Johnny, happy birthday. God bless, good health, and have a fantastic birthday. We're proud of you palagi. And thanks for everything. Alam mo na yun. Ingatan lagi ang kalusugan. Thanks.
Hi Cass, happy birthday. I just wanna say thank you for being there. Kahit na, alam mo yun, hindi pa tayo nagkakasama, hindi pa tayo nagkakakilala in person, pero talagang yung support mo, yung mga oras na kailangan ko, andyan ka, hindi ka nagdalawang isip, tulungan ako, kamustahin, naiiyak ako kasi tuwing maaalala ko yun, sobra, grabe. Sobrang laking bagay nun sa akin. It's not the amount, kung magkano, ano, pero yung effort mo, yung effort nyo ni Aya, na talagang nandyan, nakasupport talaga kayo. Hindi na kailangan magsabi. Talagang todo effort kayong pareho. May parating lang yung kung ano yung ibibigay ng tulong sa akin. At sobrang laking bagay sobrang laking bagay nun nung mga panahon na yun. Para bang alam mo yun, meron kang masasandalan. Wala akong masabi, sobra. Katulad nga ng sabi ng papa, nung nakilala ka niya, na napakabait mong bata. Si Johnny napakabait. Sabi nga niya nakakatuwa ka. Nakakatuwa yung bata. Talaga kung paano ka magmahal sa mga tito mo. Saludo ako dyan sa'yo. Kaya naman talagang binibless ka. Kasi napakabuti ng puso niyong mag-asawa. Lagi ka mag-iingat. Wishing you good health and long life. And more success. Ibalik sana sa inyo yan ng itaas, ng 60 liga to maapaw pa. Hope to see you soon. Makapag-banding. Gawin natin yan very, very soon. Thank you, Paz. Thank you for everything. Happy birthday.
Bro, Toy, happy birthday anda. Salamat dili sa painom sa akon. Parinaw. Happy birthday anda. Sa kumpare ko nga panulay.
Happy birthday. Waan ka pato, miyaw ka. May manok di. Halong lang permi Mayo lang kapag birthday. Salamat. Kuha na lang pato.
Happy birthday lang dato
Pari pato, yawa daw. Padala ko lang la. Oh.
All good morning. Happy birthday na sa tol hindi busy. Mayo lang alawas
Good morning.
Nagtani damo pa mabot sa imong birthday kag padayo lang sa imong pagimakas kag enjoy your day tol kagalo lang ta perme happy birthday
Say hi, John.